Hey, what is up everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make super crispy fries in the oven or an air fryer. To make these super amazing air fryer french fries, you need about 500 grams of mealy potatoes like russet potatoes per person. The first thing we're going to do is to remove all of these little ugly bits on the potatoes we probably don't want to eat. You could also peel the potatoes if you want, but I think the potato skins give some really nice texture and also they crispen up quite nicely. Next, cut your potatoes into about 1 centimeter thick sticks, like so. You could also go thinner, but when you make fries in an air fryer or the oven, you really need to give them some time to get crispy. So if you cut them too thin, they might be kind of dry in the middle and I don't like that. Once that's done, you can rinse them with some cold water, although that isn't really necessary because we are going to boil them anyways. So once all of the potatoes are cut to size, bring some water to the boil and add a good amount of salt and a little bit of white wine vinegar or any other cheap vinegar to it. It should taste quite salty, but also have a hint of acidity. The salt is really important for the internal seasoning of the french fries, and the vinegar helps to keep their shape intact and prevent them from breaking apart. Once the water is boiling, lower down the heat to medium-high and add in your potatoes. This process is called blanching, and you want to leave your potatoes in the water for about 5 to 7 minutes depending on their thickness. Mine were in the water for about 5.5. Now strain them well and put them back into the same pot so they can dry from the pot's residual heat. You could also spread out the french fries on a towel to dry them thoroughly, but I think it works pretty well and it's very convenient this way. Next, add some neutral vegetable oil to the french fries so each one of them is coated in a nice layer of oil. And this was basically all of the prep work we had to do. Now if you want to make these french fries in the oven, you can either place them on a rack like I show here, or directly onto a tray and coat them with some more oil. The temperature and cooking time is about the same for the oven and the air fryer. Just make sure to use the convection setting and flip your french fries after about 15 minutes. Today I'm going to use my air fryer though. Throw all of the french fries in the air fryer's basket and select the french fry mode or set the air fryer to 200 degrees Celsius manually. Let the potatoes air fry for about 25 to 35 minutes or until golden brown. The cooking time also depends on how many french fries you put into this basket. In the air fryer, I like to shake them up a little bit every 5 to 10 minutes or so everything cooks evenly. During the cooking time, I like to prepare the spice and salt mixture that I'm going to toss my french fries in. You could surely keep it simple and just add salt, but I wanted something a little more interesting today. For my spice mixture, I used 2 teaspoons of salt, half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, half a teaspoon of sweet paprika, 1/4 to 1/3 of a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a couple of cracks of black pepper. Give this a quick mix, and your beautiful french fry salt mixture is done. After about 35 minutes, my french fries were finally done, and boy do they look amazing. Now quickly transfer them to a big bowl, sprinkle some of your salt mixture on top of them, and toss them well. Just a quick side info, you really need to eat air fryer fries quickly because they won't stay crispy for as long as regular fries. So it's the perfect excuse to devour these french fries in a matter of minutes. And if you like crispy french fries as much as I do, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll hopefully see you in my next video. Bye bye!